Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to monitor log file system in Linux through the use of commands. To begin with, open the terminal in Ubuntu. Once opened, you will run the on-screen command as an administrator to see complete details of each login. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Also, you can use the simple last command for this action. When you press your enter key, you will see all the login details in Ubuntu. Another alternative you have is to enter the command you see on the lastlog screen. This command will display all the lines with the status of whether or not they are logged into the system. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.